and welcome to another YouTube video. Those cats, they just make a mess everywhere. I have to put my mirror like that because they're kind of like breaking into my stuff. But anyways, I hope y'all feeling good. I'm feeling great today actually. I'm very excited because I'm just about to leave for work, but it's not my regular work because today I'm going to try out to drive a Wheelloader. And you're probably thinking like, well, you already know how to operate the Wheelloader. Yeah, that's true, but that's with forks. Today I'm actually going to try out the Wheelloader with a scoop or with a bucket or whatever you call it. So that's going to be a little bit different. I'm going to drive an L90 Volvo. Me myself have an L70. I can post a little picture of it here. But so the machine I'm going to drive today is a little bit bigger and probably a little bit newer too. So that's kind of excitement today, and I'm still waiting for my element. It's getting quite cold here. Actually, it's very cold, but I hope they will speed things up so I don't have to freeze so much. But anyways, that's kind of like what's happening today. You're going to follow me at work when I'm driving a Wheelloader. So yep, I hope you will like it. Time to get to the Wheelloader. So guys, now I'm here and this is what the place looks like here. It's not much because they are building, there's my super nice car. It's not much here yet. They are building offices and yeah, some houses. And so here's the tractor that I'm going to operate. I thought it was going to be an L90, but this is the same size as my tractor. It's an L70, but it's a little bit newer than mine. And I'm going to, it's the first time for me using a scoop. You know, I know how to operate the forks, but yeah, of course I have been hauling. I have been moving snow with a tractor before, but never rocks. So this will be the first time. I'm going to move these two piles and I'm going to move it there. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to try out to do today. But I think it will go pretty good because I still have the feeling for the what do you call them, the controls and everything. So it's probably the same to move stones, to move snow. It's, yeah, it should be the same thing. So yeah, we're going to jump into the tractor and haul some rocks, move some rocks. There. And yeah, you can tell that it's a working machine, and I really like it like this, but it smells kind of like cow in here because they have been using this Wheelloader in a barn. So, but you can see it's a little bit dirty, but that's the way I like it. Dirty is money, dirty money. And yeah, like I said before, this is the first time that I'm going to use a bucket on the Wheelloader. I have been moving a little bit of snow with my dad, but that was quite a long time ago, but I think I'm still gonna get the hang of it. So I hope you will enjoy, and now we're going to keep moving some piles.
Catch me, you're never gonna catch me. No, 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 no. You are gonna waste your time. You are gonna waste your time. Your time. I won't go to Guantanamo. You won't put me in the jail. No, no, you are never gonna catch me. You are never gonna catch me. 'Cause I'm gonna run away. Oh, run away from you. Oh, don't let go.
So now I have been trying to move a few of the piles to the big pile here, to this pile here, and I think it's going pretty good. I'm really getting the hang of it with the controls and everything, and I think it's really fun. And the big pile keeps getting smaller, and this pile is getting bigger, and yeah, so I'm enjoying. I hope you enjoy it too, and we're gonna keep moving a few more buckets. The day's scariest thing. I'm unloading on the hill right now, and it's it's very high, so it's a little bit scary. I'm not used to standing like in directions like this and up and down, because I think it's really scary to be so up high with big machines like this. But yeah, I think it worked pretty good. You gotta have some ice in your stomach and you have to believe in yourself. But yeah, it goes good so far, and we're gonna just keep moving the hill or the pile a little bit more, and yeah, it's going to be good. I believe this is going to be good. Been driving almost all day, and the pile is actually getting bigger. My little road that I'm building, and I don't know if you can see, but it's very high. That's why I'm standing here, so you can see how high it is. Because yeah, I think I'm doing a good job. Like I said earlier, I don't do this normally. I just yeah, but this was fun. I liked it. It would be nice to be doing something different. And so yes. But I'm soon going to get home. I'm feeling like I'm getting a hang of this, and yeah.
Everything's falls apart. Nothing else covers me up. No one here to shine a real light. Shooting for a little star, but it's just too much real. No one here to pull me to the light. We never stop on darkness. We'll never walk on pain. Don't need your trouble sympathy. We'll make it to the stars.
So guys, this is the hill that I'm driving up with the Wheelloader on, and it's quite high. So I think it's a little bit scary still, but it feels kind of better now when I have been driving a few times. But I'm not used to drive like this, because when I load pallets with my Wheelloader, it's usually a straight road with the forks and load pallets. So yeah, this was a quite new experience, but it was fun.
We never stop on sadness. We never hide in pain. Don't need your trouble sympathy. We'll make it to the stars.
done for today, and I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the POV, point of view. Nothing dirt about that, but those who know, you know. I'm quite proud over the little road that I have been building. You can see now it's quite high and long too, so I think I have been doing a good job today. So before, my dad taught me how to move snow, so it's the same thing when you're moving this pile of stones. It's the same, you go into the pile and you tilt up and you get the stones into the bucket. So now I'll know a little bit more how to operate a bucket wheel loader, a wheel loader, a bucket loader. But yeah, so it's not only forks. Now I know how to move stones also. Yay! But it was fun doing it. I really enjoyed it. It's fun to do something different than just driving trucks and forklifts all the time. So yeah, and I really enjoyed doing this today. So if you liked it as much as I did, don't forget to like it, don't forget to subscribe, and drop a comment, because I would like to hear what you think about this. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!